Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you my recent jewelry haul from Amazon, and I've got a bunch of things for myself this time. So I did a small little ethnic jewelry haul this time, and I've been wanting to buy a lot of these products for a long time. So I got good deals on Amazon this time, and I really could not resist myself, and I picked up some of the designs for myself. So without wasting any further time, let's quickly get started. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And now let's get started. So I've unboxed everything and put everything in a box like this, which came with one of the designs that I picked up. So the first one, and one of my favorites, I think all of them are my favorite, is this choker set that I picked up, and it looks stunning. I just love it, and it has these earrings with it. I've worn it on one of my recent shoots. I'm going to insert pictures wherever I have pictures with these designs already, but I love the quality of this one. I'm going to also leave the vendor names over here and also links in the description box in case you want to check them all out. But for now, just look at how pretty this one is. This is a set of bangles that I have, and this is the design. It has this scalloped design, which is a very classic Rajasthani bangle design. This is what it looks like. It has this cute pearl detailing, which makes it really stunning, and then you just wear it. I just love the quality and the finish on them and the design. I'd been wanting to pick up something like this for a really long time, and finally I have it. The next one is this temple jewelry necklace, and love the detailing on this one. There's goddess Lakshmi on the design. She's sitting on a pedestal. This is one of those kalash, and we have this peacock detailing running through the the sides of the necklace. This is also a really pretty one, and it's not as heavy as I thought it would be, so it's very comfortable to wear, and it has this long chain, so you can adjust the length of the necklace. That one comes with these cute earrings also. Again, the goddess on the design, really cute and very wearable. I love the whole set quite a lot. I'm going to again leave the name of the vendor here and the links in the description box. Next one, again a necklace. This is one of those har kind of necklaces. This is what it looks like. It has this pearl and ruby detailing and this long pearl chain with the detailing running through the chain, and it comes with these matching earrings, which again are really pretty and very light in weight. The whole set is very light in weight, very wearable, and I love the quality. And I love that these pearls, they are very tiny. They're not those big chunky pearls. These tiny pearls, they give a very classy look to the whole necklace, and I really like it. Next is a set of 2 pearl bracelets like this, and this is the other one. This one matches the necklace that I just showed to you guys, and overall I really love both of them. This is how you wear them. Very classy, and very light in weight. Again, very easy to wear. And last but not the least, I have this oxidized jewelry set. This is the necklace, and it came with these matching earrings. Oxidized jewelry is really in these days, and it looks good in summers with all your light chikankari dresses and kurtas. It looks really good. Good part is that the quality of all of the designs that I've picked up is really good, and you can wear them to good events too. So if you're interested in any of these designs, I'm going to leave the links in the description box down below. Don't forget to check it out. And that's all from my side on my Amazon haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this small ethnic haul that I have. Do let me know in the comments which of the designs you like the most, and I'm going to leave links in the description box as always. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. If you did, do give it a big thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.